Hi guys, welcome to our first video on YouTube. In this video we arrive at Shamrock Quay in Southampton for our introduction to yachting. We grab our night bag and head to the boat. Our host for the weekend is Mark, and our boat is called an Ashira. It's a 36-foot Bavaria. We check the weather and check the engine, and then we make our way out for the first day. We get some headwind, so we do some upwind sailing. The next day, after a good night's sleep in the Isle of Wight, we do some racing all the way back to Shamrock Quay. We hope you enjoy the video, and do consider liking and subscribing.
what you want.